Me, Bunny, the reporter of the news, and it's bringing the most beautiful evening where everybody gets horny. Alright, let's have our two girls. Let's show Heart. Get over here, Heart. Stars. My bad. Stars. Stars, show them how we call you Stars. And then we got my homegirl, Sparkles. You guys want to know why we call her Sparkles? Because it shines every time this tab do on those. Alright, you guys, so how's the weather today? What about you? Oh my gosh, it's rain. What makes me want to do? Be a porn star right now. Yeah, really. I really want to be a porn star though. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, the best thing about the rain is pushing in it. Oh. Come over here. Join the evil side. Now the cameraman is Mimi, but he's such a pussy. He won't get on camera, no matter. That felt good. Thanks, Star. I needed it. Stop it, you guys. Stop it. All right, you guys. And like say something to the camera. Like anything. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it! No, but you know what's fun? Okay, you guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a bowl just by using two of your friends. You ready for it? Sparkles, we're going to have Stars be our hoe. Oh, I mean our pole. Ready? That's right. You got to take it guys and lower it. And then you bring it back up. Boys, you just learned something new. Have fun. Oh, that was a beautiful lightning bolt. You guys missed it because me kind of getting a boner right now. Get over here. Join this threesome. Across the set. Yeah. All right, guys, you should see our stories about aggressiveness. Sorry, you want to go first if you are clearly, into it. Oh, okay, fine. Fine. Sparkles, want to go? Oh, fine. All right. YouTube, Vampire Freaks, my yearbook. I'm so not putting this on Facebook. Number one, how to turn me on is bite the neck and the boob. Don't be gentle. Be nice and rough with it. And then, of course, Star, can you help me pull my hair? And then, of course, pulling the hair is better. And of course, you can burn me with a cigarette like that 26-year-old juggalo did. So tell my mother, who's next? You can do it randomly. One time, at band camp. Ooh. So one time at band camp, we remembered his story.
I was in my bed.
And
you was in my room. I got so horny.
What was that when I was just getting married?
I was trying so hard not to just stick it in, but me and my godly ways,
Godly ways, bullshit!
I just wanted to savor it for you.
Savor it for me. I love it when you use yourself. I think that was better than band camp. What about you, Sparkles?
Hello, Sparkles. You're so horny. Be shy.
I'm not shy.
Go tell us your story. You get me in the bedroom. I made look like a innocent little girl. I'm a freaking girl.
Oh, you know it. You know that song, Bedrock? Or what was that one song that said, you want a lady in the street, let her freak in the bed?
I don't know.
You want a lady in the street, let her freak in the bed! That's all her. But you guys want to know my secret? Like, no, I haven't told anybody before. These 26-year-olds were rapping to me once about how naughty I was, and since I am a virgin, I'm naughty by nature. Oh, what are you? What are you? Sorry, yeah. Sorry. Kinkage! You guys hear that? Let me repeat that. She's naughty all the time. Alright, you guys, you know what? Oh, yes. It's your turn, Sparkle. Show them how you sparkle. Oh, shit! I can't beat this. That is good. Oh, well, you're supposed to show how we hold it, not how to touch. Oh, my glove coming out. Hey, you guys, Victoria's Secret. All right, you guys, tell everybody bye.
Huda huda bye.
Everybody, let's do bye,
Huda,
and then
huda,
we'll go
bye.
our John Wild way. Ready?
Bye!
Okay.